In today's video, I'll show you how you can copy keyframes on PowerDirector. So let's get started. So here we are in PowerDirector and it's really easy. So basically I'm just going to add a keyframe for this one first. So I'm going to do that by clicking on the footage, go into keyframes. And then next is that we would want to go into the clips or whatever keyframe or aspect you would want the keyframe right here. I'm just going to go into clip attributes and I'm going to keyframe the scale right here. So I'm going to go click here on keyframe and I'm just going to go at the beginning right there. And then I can now move forward and keyframe it so it's like zooming in. So it would be like this. It will now be scaled just like that. And now when we play it, we will now have this effect. And now we're just simply going to right click on our footage and click on copy keyframe attributes. And now let's drag another clip. And from here, we just simply need to right click and then paste keyframe attributes and click on OK. And then you'd now be able to see that all the keyframe attributes that you have copied are now transferred into this clip. So that's it on how you could do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.